Hello everyone, Bobby here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making another box oven recipe. It's called Community S'mores. It's the same recipe as regular s'mores that you do over a campfire, but this will be done in my box oven. It's got all the same ingredients plus a can of crescent rolls. I'll be using a cookie sheet. I'll be having Hershey bars, graham crackers, marshmallows, but I'll be using crescent rolls to hold it all together. I like to coat my pan with butter just to make it easier to spread out the crescent rolls, make it where they don't stick as much, even though it is a non-stick pan. These are crescent roll dough here, but what I'm doing is just rolling it out without separating it. And I'm rolling it out just halfway. About that far, right there. And I'm gonna put the Hershey bars in it, same as other s'mores. Got some huge marshmallows. And I'll be taking some graham crackers and crushing them. Oops. So you have the flavor of the graham cracker, the marshmallow, and the Hershey bars. Now I just take the crescent rolls and roll it back over the rest of it. I tuck the edges together so it doesn't come out when the chocolate starts melting. The recipe for crescent rolls calls for $3.75. I've got my 4 soup cans set up here filled with water so they don't fall over easy. Put this about right in the middle. Now I need to put my charcoal around it. I use these little aluminum disposable pie tins. I use them over and over. Keeps the charcoal in one place. And it's easier to clean up afterwards. I use channel locks to move the little pans around so they're hot. Gotta have a little bit of air. Should take about 20 minutes. In a regular oven, it would take about 15. Plus you could use the whole crescent roll dough for the bottom and another whole one for the top and make it bigger. But for the box oven, it helps if you just make it a half of a crescent roll at a time. Okay, it's been right at 20 minutes. We're going to check it and see. Oh yeah. Looking pretty. Nice and gooey like s'mores on a stick. Okay, excuse the extra noise. They got some people doing demolition on a house next door. Nice and gooey, just like s'mores on a stick. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a good day. Just like over a campfire.